What up? Welcome to the channel. Anywho, got some work to do, so I figured I'd try documenting it. 97 chaser, turbo manual, lowered already, but I need to support the low with arms. So today I'm gonna put some on. Some hard race. Oh no, those are the old ones. Fucking where's the new one? Right, hold fire on that. In this clusterfuck of shit, I've lost them. Classic. Alright, I found them. Just down there. Anyway, here we are. Excuse the maximum amount of shit. JZX100 from caster arms and free shit. Wham. Red trailing arms. Already got heaps of arms in there already, so I figured why not have them all. So let's fucking crack into it, eh? So it's in the air now. I realise I have to fucking undo the wheel nuts. Let's zap those fuckers off real quick. Or not. Let's fucking keep getting her up. On jacks. Never fun, but fuck not bloody having jacks. Yeah, axle stand rather. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, got camber, toe, this little bastard. That is our trailing arm. I think it's trailing. Yeah. Had to get it out to get the times in anyway, so shouldn't be too hard to do again. You now join me under the car, where I'll attempt to take that fucker off, and that fucker off, and we'll let her loose. But there I am. Based on tools required for that one, we'll see how many times I need to get up and fetch a tool, because it'll be heaps. Right on. Would it help if I got the fucking wheel off, wouldn't it? Where are you? There we are. Yeah, so it's hot. I have no other excuse. Alright, so now that the wheel's actually off, like a fucking mongoloid, I've got way better access to the nuts and bolts. Oh yeah! Nope, timing. Yes. Well, we got it. Just. Almost needed to lose my temper. Stocker versus new unit. Lovely. Now comes the task of making them the right length. Lovely. Alright, let's try that again. Man's is foolish. Now that side's done, that side's not. Oh, that's the wrong way again. Still lined. Lined. Good to go. Ooh, happy with that. By that I mean, it'll do. As some may say, a blind man be happy to see it. So, we'll fucking crank it down, chuck it back on. Beaut. Simply wang her back in. Perhaps some encouragement. That'll do, son. That'll be real nice. Excellent. Alright. Okay. How good's that? 3 nice blue arms. Beautiful. Excellent. Now my alignment will be way out of fucking spec, so we'll look forward to getting that done. Oh well. On to the next side. Well, I'm less looking forward to this side. Joys of parking close to the wall. So, I'll whip the wheel off first this time, then get under the car and start unbuttoning. Wheels off, tools down, not tools down yet, nearly tools down. Let's go racing! So, same deal, 2 there, trailing arm there. Let's zing some nuts and bolts. Ah, good. There it is. Good. Safety first, kids. Not a fucking sausage. That's the way. Oh yes. Oh, sweet release. Thank you. And that is how fucking bolt out. Lovely. Oh yeah. There we go. Alright, where's my knife? By knife I mean hammer. Boop. Good. Okay, in there. That's how the professionals do it. Alright, so arms are done, but I figure I might as well start it. Happy boy. Probably shouldn't have done that, given its cold engine, but alright. Thank you for watching me attempt to put arms in. I think it's a great success, to be honest.